Attention, seekers of financial abundance. Are you ready to uncover an incredible secret technique that will help you manifest money in large sums, easily and effortlessly? If so, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'm about to share with you one of the most powerful manifestation techniques, straight from the teachings of the renowned Neville Goddard. This technique is so foolproof that it has successfully helped 99% of people who have practiced it and discovered this incredible trick. But here's the catch. This secret technique is not widely known. It's a hidden gem tucked away in the realms of manifestation. And that's precisely why you don't want to miss a single moment of this video. Before we dive in, I have a small favor to ask. If you find this video intriguing and want to see more content like this, hit that like button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel. By doing so, you'll never miss out on any valuable manifesting techniques and secrets. Now, I know you're eager to learn this secret technique straight from the vaults of Neville Goddard's teachings. So stay tuned till the end of this video, as each step I'm about to reveal is crucial in unlocking the vast riches waiting to flow into your life. All right? Let's begin. Neville Goddard, a prominent figure in the field of manifestation, proposed various techniques to manifest money. These techniques are designed to tap into our subconscious mind and align our thoughts and emotions with the desired financial abundance. One technique in particular is not widely known but holds tremendous potential: the scent of money. Friends, money possesses a particular scent that sets it apart from other pieces of paper. This distinct odor, often described as a combination of ink, metal, and the material used in currency production, is instantly recognizable to many people, even if they have never held or smelled money before. This unique smell is a result of the specific materials and processes involved in producing currency. Researchers and scientists have conducted studies confirming the existence of a distinct odor associated with money. These studies suggest that the smell of money is unlike any other paper-based item and can be easily distinguished by individuals through smell alone. The aroma of money is a result of the materials used, the chemical composition of banknotes, and the ink utilized in the printing process. The human olfactory system is an incredible sensory tool, capable of detecting and distinguishing a vast array of scents. According to research published in Discover magazine, humans may possess the ability to perceive and differentiate between an estimated 10,000 distinct odors. This highlights the remarkable sensitivity of our sense of smell and its potential role in enhancing our experiences, including visualization and manifestation practices. Our senses play a crucial role in manifesting our desires. They help us become aware of our current circumstances and create a vivid image of our desired reality. When it comes to money manifestation, scent can be a powerful tool that amplifies the effectiveness of visualization techniques. Before we move further in our video, hear out story of a woman who manifested money using scent technique. There was a woman named Sarah who dreams of becoming financially abundant. She has been struggling with her finances and feels frustrated with the lack of progress. She stumbles upon Neville Goddard's teachings and discovers the power of the scent of money technique. Sarah decides to give it a try. She creates a special visualization practice where she incorporates the scent of money. She takes a few moments to imagine herself holding a handful of crisp dollar bills, feeling their texture, and even visualizing the distinct smell of money. As she inhales deeply, she allows this scent to permeate her senses, creating a multi-sensory experience. By adding the sense of smell to her visualization practice, Sarah notices a significant shift in her manifestation process. The scent of money acts as a catalyst, intensifying her visualization and making it more vivid. It helps her connect deeply with the desired circumstances and boosts her belief in the reality of financial abundance. When we engage all five senses, sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell, our visualizations become more detailed and realistic. The scent of money acts as an anchor, enhancing the clarity and emotional intensity of our visualizations. This multisensory approach enhances the power of imagination and fosters a deep emotional connection, making the manifestation process more impactful. The more intensely and realistically we can imagine our desires, the stronger the energetic alignment between our thoughts, emotions, and the desired outcome becomes. However, it's important to remember that the scent of money is just one aspect of manifestation. Having a clear idea about the appearance, size, sound, and smell of what you want to manifest is essential for effective visualization techniques. This means visualizing not only the scent of money, but also the physical appearance of wealth, the sound of abundance, and the feeling of financial freedom. For example, if you want to manifest a luxurious lifestyle, visualize the scent of money intertwined with the sight of a lavish mansion, the sound of champagne glasses clinking, and the touch of soft silk against your skin. Engaging all your senses in the visualization process allows for a more holistic and immersive experience, reinforcing your beliefs and paving the way for manifestation. Here comes a question that might come in your mind: how much time I should spend in this technique? Well, my friends, the duration of your practice depends on your specific goals, current situation, and personal beliefs. It's recommended to dedicate at least 10-15 minutes to your visualization practice, but you can certainly spend more time if desired, especially if you feel it helps you deepen your focus and connection with your desires. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly engaging in your manifestation practice will reinforce your intentions and align your thoughts and emotions with your desired outcome. This consistent effort, combined with a strong belief in the manifestation process, will pave the way for success. It's important to note that the timeline for seeing results can vary from person to person and depends on various factors such as the intensity of your desire, your level of belief, and the alignment of your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desired manifestation. While some people have reported seeing results in as little as one day, others may experience it over a longer period of time. Everyone's manifestation journey is unique and personal. Stay committed, remain positive, and trust in the process. As you continue to practice, visualize, and align your energy with your desires, you'll be amazed at the progress you can make in manifesting the financial success you seek. As we conclude this video, remember that engaging multiple senses during the visualization process is a powerful tool for manifesting our financial abundance. By incorporating sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, we create a fully immersive experience that amplifies the effectiveness of our imagination. This multi-sensory approach strengthens the energetic alignment between our thoughts, emotions, and the desired outcome. To optimize the manifestation of financial abundance, let's actively involve the sense of smell. Take deep inhalations while envisioning and interacting with physical representations of money, such as banknotes. This allows for a complete sensory experience, connecting the distinct scent of money with the visual and tactile sensations associated with wealth. Remember, the more intensely and realistically we can imagine our desires, the stronger the energetic alignment becomes, propelling us towards our desired outcome. Manifesting financial abundance is within our grasp when we embrace the power of our senses. Thank you for watching, and may your manifestation journey be filled with joy, abundance, and success